In February this year, OpenAI's text-to-video generation model Sora amazed everyone. One particular memorable video about a minute long was called Airhead. It was created by Shyke's team. Unlike other flashy generated videos, Airhead had a narrative element, telling the story of a man whose head is a yellow balloon. After its release, many people wondered if the day AI would replace the film entertainment industry was not far off. Recently, Shyke's released the second short film in their Airhead series using Sora, titled Deflated. This short film is about 3.5 minutes long and is highly entertaining. Let's first watch these two short films. If you've already seen them, you can jump to the time on the screen now to see the analysis of the video.
Well, they say everyone has something unique about them, something that sets them apart. It's just in my case, it's quite obvious what that thing is. I am literally filled with hot air. Yeah, living like this has its challenges. Windy days, for one, are particularly troublesome. Or there was the one time my girlfriend insisted I go to the cactus store to get my Uncle Jerry a wedding present. Ugh. What do I love most about my predicament? The perspective it gives me. I get to see the world differently. I float above the mundane and the ordinary. I see things a different way from everyone else. Yeah, and I feel like it's because of that perspective I'm reminded every day that life is fragile. We're all just a pinprick away from deflation. So I try to live life with a lightness, a buoyancy, a joie de vivre. I got a lot of ideas keeping this thing full. With any luck, I'll find a way to share them with everyone else.
This is Tough Questions. I'm Patricia Carlo. Sonny Stringfellow rose to prominence online with the viral film Airhead. Shortly after its release, he disappeared. Tonight, we sit down for the first time face-to-face. How are you?
Deflated.
The technical term is Helios laticulus, a genetic condition that affects an estimated 0.2% of the global population. And it's a condition that made Sonny a worldwide sensation overnight. But as he tells me, living with it is not without its drawbacks.
It's difficult, sure. People tend to lash out at what they don't understand. But it makes me think about my father, the sacrifices he made, and his father before him. The world isn't that dark anymore.
Why do you think people dislike you so much?
I don't know. They don't like the way I look, maybe? I feel like I'm a pretty inoffensive guy.
Would you be comfortable reading some social media comments?
Okay, yeah, just from the top here. Go pop yourself. This short film feels like a paid commercial for a future where everything sucks. Wow, looks like Sorry. Yeah, it got pretty ugly on Twitter, but honestly, the initial response everywhere else was actually pretty amazing. From this small little thing I did, I was getting these massive opportunities. I got an agent, I was doing press, and it became sort of a movement. People really got into the whole balloon guy thing. It was overwhelming, flattering, felt like I could have anything I wanted.
They're calling it balloon fever.
Everywhere you look, you see this guy.
Got a goddamn balloon verse.
I just want to meet him.
Now, Gerald, what I'm seeing is telltale signs of someone on helium.
Wow, what a crazy night. I feel so lightheaded. Thank you all so much.
But all that attention, it went straight to my head. That's what happens at the top of the mountain. It was all downhill from there.
Sonny emerged after the City Block incident, hoping to move on from it. He used a series of high-profile affairs as a distraction from the truth. His party lifestyle was catching up with him, and his bubble was about to pop.
Hey, listen to me.
This was the beginning of a very public spiral that eventually ended with Sunny disappearing from the limelight. Until now.
I needed a tether to reality.
You've found that now, haven't you? We found each other.
When we return, Sunny Stringfellow, a man in love, and also a man reformed. And later, we speak to Dr. Matthew Hornick about a developing case. Why are so many people moving in slow motion? And what's going on with everyone's hands?
The videos are fantastic, aren't they? So the question arises, is Sora really that powerful? Can it be directly used to make movies? The Shy Kids team recently shared the behind-the-scenes story of making Airhead on the FX Sky social website. This might answer some of the questions above. Shy Kids is an independent 3-person production team from Toronto, Canada. They create independent music and participate in film production, earning the nickname Punk Rock Pixar. Their works often explore issues related to teenagers, social anxiety, and the complexity of modern society, while maintaining a unique, whimsical, and sincere tone that resonates with audience. Their work has been Emmy-nominated and has frequently been longlisted for the Oscars. One of the members, Patrick, mentioned some behind-the-scenes details of making movies with Sora in an interview with FX Guide. First, the current version of Sora does not provide continuity between video clips. While Sora can maintain consistency within a single clip, achieving object consistency across different clips is still challenging. Even if you use the exact same prompts, the generated videos will differ. Sora also doesn't offer a feature to ensure a continuity between different video clips. For example, when making Airhead, not every clip had the blue man's head consistently yellow, requiring color correction in post-production. Some generated videos had faces printed on the balloon, which didn't match the overall design and had to be removed in post-production. Therefore, the team detailed their prompts as much as possible each time they generated a video, but this didn't completely solve the issues. Second, Sora's understanding of the prompts is based on previous extensive data training. For example, balloons in past training data often have strings attached. So the team found that videos of the balloon man frequently had a string hanging down from his head, which didn't fit the story and had to be removed in post-production. Although Sora can generate high-resolution videos, rendering them takes a long time. To improve efficiency, the team usually generated low-resolution videos such as 480p, and then use other AI tools to enhance the video quality, adding to the workload. Sora allows users to choose different resolutions and orientations, like horizontal, vertical, or square, which should help with shooting moving shots. For example, generating a video where the camera moves from the blue man's jeans to his head while he's riding a bicycle. Unfortunately, Sora couldn't naturally generate these videos because it always focuses on the yellow-blue head. So the team generated a vertical video first and then manually cropped it in post-production to achieve the upward shot. Additionally, the music and voiceovers were produced by the team. Sora currently doesn't provide sound generation features. There are many other post-production details, but we won't go into those here. So if you're interested, you can read the related article linked in the video description. In summary, the first 1-minute video alone took the team 1.5 to 2 weeks to complete. Although the production time for the second film wasn't specified, it likely required even more time and effort. From this, we can conclude that Sora is not yet powerful enough to replace Hollywood. Generated video clips can be used as material, but extensive post-production work is needed, sometimes even more than traditional filming. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time.